And that's why you're lifting up. So if you go back down, she doesn't have any fine lines or wrinkles, but somebody who has a drooping eyelid, you always want to pull back because you'll see a whole gang of hairs under there and it's messing with the eyes or the skin. In the hairline, remember we're going to stay on the line. Don't go too far in. Now remember after that point, so I'm going to look back a little bit, see her hair, her ear, which is following the line. To a point right there, and we stop. So remember that ball is right here. To have ears in your nose and your ears is one thing. It's okay because they act as filters for toxins, bad stuff that we breathe in, bad air quality, viruses, bacteria. It traps it into the hairs, which is a good thing on the inside. But if you have hair, even like right in here, or in the very beginning part of the orifice of the ear, it's not always a good thing. You always want those clipped, but you do need some nose hair. You do need some ear hair so it can catch viruses. Those ear, nose, and throat doctors, the ENT, when those babies get ear infections, the hair has barely even developed like in the ear. Yes, they do have hairs, but not super strong hairs where it can bind onto proteins and other nonsense that floats in the air, electrons, protons, free radicals, if you will. They're not fully developed, so that's why they get an ear infection, because their ears are very moist and open, so they don't have the fibers to protect. But as we get older, yeah, you don't need all of that gunk in there. You don't need, because then it could breed or hold on to other bacteria and viruses and just linger, go into the pore of the hair. Like, I don't know if you've ever seen the movie called Alien Covenant. How that one guy got infected with the alien spore. He stepped on one of those plants.
I love that. Security. So he's like always walking around on security mode.
Yeah. That's good. You're always protected.
Right. He's like, okay, I'm here. Okay.
Or at least you have a man that comes in. I've went to several salons, done a lot of trainings in places where I'm like, people are like in the backwoods of places, hood. I'm like, you could really get hurt in this area. Are you crazy? And they dudes don't pop up. They don't show their call.
Well, that's because he had to pee.
Well, at least he, like you're in a good area. I'm like, I've been around. In these places, I'm like, so this is your boyfriend's old barbershop. This shit, you
like, what? Right.
I'm in certain places in Suvan. I thought I knew Suvan. There's some areas I'm like, nah, I wouldn't come back here again.
That's true.
You have to be in shape.
Yes.
Pretty much, and whatever you're gonna do in that post, you have to. It's a whole body workout.
I gotta turn this bed down. This thing got hot.
It's hot. it one more time because we're gonna clean up all the little hairs.
Okay. That dragon's butter is so nice.
It's wonderful.
It's the smell.
Yeah, I need to find that guy again because I don't know if that was really his store because he was just there and telling me because he seen me looking and then, you know, I was lost. I didn't know what to do.
He was helping out.
Yeah, because it's in the section where it's like if you don't know Arabic or it's not, it don't have to be Arabic. It's whatever Indian language. Was it Farsi? No, it's not. Hindi. Jesus. No, something. Yeah, so if you don't speak Hindi, then you lost. And all the herbs
especially in that type of store. If it was an original.
Labeled. Right. Oh, it is. Like everything's labeled differently. If you don't know what they're talking about,
You'd be lost in the wind.
Yeah. And I was. He seen me. He's like, "Can I help you, my friend?" It's always my friend. If you think about it, yeah, their culture is always friendly, and then we fuck it up. Americans. Well, that's what we friendly too, you know.
Yeah, but it's a difference. It's definitely a difference.
It's gonna be a little runny. I apologize in advance.
Okay.
And it just polishes and gets off all the little hairs, and it has, like I said, the antiseptic properties, antibacterial, antimicrobial. Powers of the aromatherapy goes underneath the skin and heals within. Good stuff. It sounds scary. Sounds like the Terminator.
Oh my God. Feels clean. Oh, put that in. An unknown number.
I thought they had a control over that for a minute. They were doing good, and then all of a sudden
they're right back to it.
Right. I'm like, wait a minute, y'all. When I first got my little iPhone and or the new one, the 12, I was so happy.
Because you could see the scan like
real quick, but now it's like they getting through more and more every day.
And be acting like they know you.
Right.
I get on the phone, like, hey, B, what?
Right.
What? Who are you?
Extended warranties on cars and something. Like, what? How do you even know what car I drive?
Exactly.
I really don't understand. I'm like, what? How do you know I drive a Chevy? Like, how do you know? I don't even know you, but you know me.
They selling information.
It's just moisturizer.
Okay.